everybody, welcome back, and today I'm gonna be showing what I got from Amazon, and I'm really excited to show you. Here's the box, and I'm really excited to show you. Let's start. So I already opened the box because I forgot that I was gonna do a video, but I haven't seen anything that's inside of it, so let's start. So first we have this is the school backpack. Everything that's in this box is gonna be for my back to school. So let's do this. Let's open it. It's not open. Why? I'm just gonna open this. Okay, so far this is the backpack. It's a little small, but it's very pretty. I like how it's color pink. Over here it says BTS, and it has the BTS logo. It's very pretty. See, this is how you open it. From this part, where the front is, you could open it here. Here it has its zipper. This is the front pocket. And over here, there's another zipper to put the rest of your things. See? And inside, it has these little tiny pockets to put like your pencils, your utensils that you're gonna be needing. And all the way at the bottom, we have a little pencil case that says BTS with the BTS logo. I honestly didn't know that it was gonna be here. So unexpected. Ooh! And it has like a charger, a USB charger. It has this. This is like, I think for the headphones or something like that. And it has a little keychain, which is color pink, and color pink's my favorite color. So I'm like, woohoo! I think you put it like here, or I think it's over here that you could put it. See? And it also has another little pocket over here where you could put the rest of your things. And this is how it looks from the inside, all the way at the bottom. Over here, see, it's just color pink and it says sport. This is the back part. And over here, this part where you put your backpack on, it's color pink, see? And it's adjustable from the bottom. And I didn't realize that there was another zipper up here. So it's like it works for a lot, because to put all your school supplies and everything. And so, wow, I'm really happy with this. And over here we have my BT21 official from Line Friends, and it's a water bottle, and I'm really happy to open this. So far I'm gonna I need to take off the tape. So apparently I can take off the tape. Wait, take it off. Oh, there. Yay, I was able to open it. Wow. I've never seen something come with this part over here. Ooh, nice. And here it is. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. I love how everything's like so graphic detailed. Everything's so pretty. I love the fact how RJ is eating a churro. That's very pretty. Over here, and over here it has its little clip so that you could clip it on your backpack, your lunch pail, whatever. This is the inside part, and this is the lid. It's colored black. And this over here, it's the one that's gonna stay attached to your water bottle, so like that you could make sure to clip it on your lunch pail. And over here, I have my lunch pail. And this lunch pail is a cookie. It's so pretty. I love how it has strawberries. Let me take it out of this part. So I need to go get scissors because I can't open this. I'm coming back in a second. Okay, so here I have my scissors. And now I'm gonna cut this. Okay. Woohoo! Here it is. Okay. Over here it says Stay Sunny. This is the back part too. I just realized that over here, let me see if I can. Over here it has cookie and Shookies on top, and it says hi. Here it says cookie. I love how it has strawberries. Everything's so pretty. This is a part, and I'm gonna open this so that you could take a closer look at it. So over here, it has this so that you could attach it into your lunch pail, and you could use it kind of like a little handbag. And this is the little inside part. It's very big. You could fit a bunch of things in here. That's what I love. And now, over here, it has the little pockets so that you could put your water bottle. Over here, I'm gonna put mine. It has to be like this. Over here is my water bottle. I love how everything's so pretty. And I just realized of a little detail over here too. Cookie's face is over here like I don't know, kind of like stressed, nervous. He has his mouth open. I didn't realize of that detail. And over here it's the same design. Everything's very pretty. Thank you so much for watching this. That's it for today, and hope to see you next time. Please stay tuned for more of my videos. Bye.